Okay, July the 27th, 2024, Sandersville, Georgia. Let's make sure this thing's recording. Yes. 75 degrees going to 88. 98% humidity. 8 o'clock. We usually just pass through Sandersville on our way to South Georgia, but we've come to Sandersville today to get the groundbreaking of the Georgia High-Low, or the High-Low Georgia Trail. Hopefully we've got the angle horizontally and vertically good for the head camera. I like this town. A lot of money spent here. New parking lots repaved. That's going to be a flowering vine. It's going to be real pretty. I could see them coming up behind us, but I couldn't tell. And I'm still not used to this bike. We're going to turn around and head back, go into town. There ought to be a locomotive around here somewhere. About 16 miles an hour. I said, we're not used to this bike. We've got to be careful. We need to be pedaling a whole lot more, but boy, it sure is easy just to kick that throttle up and let it go. I think they had some locomotives here last time I was here. Sandersville Railroad. There's a railroad truck. Where are your locomotives? Yeah, these cars coming up make me very uneasy. 13 miles an hour, 350 watts of power. Oh! We still have 5 bars of battery. You need to be in pretty good shape to ride these things. Your back, your vertebrae, your rump. I've got an extra big seat and then still had to get a cushion on top of it. Okay, which way we want to go, folks? I guess we'll go this way. This bike is fun, and you can get as much exercise as you want. You can pedal or you can throttle. You can pedal assist. But it sure is easy just to use the throttle. Of course, you're not going to get near the miles per battery charge. But there's City Hall. Where's the police station? I like to know where the police to hang out. Stay out of their way. A lot of times I come into town, I look them up and find out where they are, tell them who I am, what I'm doing. That's the thing, you get much more versatility on the bike than riding around in the car. We've come across the cemetery. That's right, interesting. And I'm trying to control my head. I know it's jerking. Nice cemetery. Now this is a main Georgia highway here. We have to be careful. People coming up behind us. I think this is 74. We'll cut over and go by the courthouse one more time. About 11 miles an hour, a little bit of throttle, 250 watts of power, and we are pedaling with #1 pedal assist. We're gonna head back to the van. We'll go down this street, turn right, and come back to the van, which is right down there. To our right is south, to our left is north. Greensboro to the left, Wrightsville to the right. We need a strap for our hat. I sure would like to have that old building. Old filling station. Boy, I'd love to have that. I'd love to have that old building. Y'all that ride around with me know by now that I like these old beat up buildings. They are my kind of place. Okay, let's get back to the van. We got a fried egg and sausage sandwich at the Waffle House, and there wasn't anybody in there hardly, just one other person. It's packed out now, but it was very good service. Good food, good service, nice people. I can highly recommend Sandersville Waffle House. At least the crew that was on duty at the time. You know, I am getting where I like riding this bicycle more and more. It's not really a trail bike. I would like one with, you know, with fenders that could be more aggressive on the trails, but we'll see how that turns out. Okay, let's turn all this stuff off. Is there a cat? Did I see a cat? We saw a cat at the Flying J last night. Maybe two of them. There are cats, there's stray cats all over the place, folks. Okay, let's turn this off. This should be a wrap.